Hello everyone, I hope you are all doing well. In today, now I discuss with you how to set up the plan, MRI of TM joint sagittal plan. Look here the protocol, and now I set up the plan. First of all, you can see here, this one is the transverse image, and this one is the sagittal, and this one is the coronal image. And so sagittal plan will be on the transverse and coronal images, and now I set up the planning. Look, this area, this one is the right TM joint, and look, this area, this one is the left TM joint. So now I very carefully set up the planning. Look, and now I check the coronal image. Look, this area, this one is the left. Okay, now I change the distance factor. Okay, now the same way. Okay, now I again check, and look, this area. Look, this area. Okay, now look this area. So look here, and showing here the parameters. Okay, our plan almost complete, and now the apply.